Okay, let's go on with the last step needed to play the action. Create a new layer and call it mask, all lowercase like this. Brush over the interested area using a hard brush and create a mask layer of it. I have already prepared a mask for this image and let me import it here. You can use any preferred method to create this layer, brush tool, wand, lasso or pen tool. The important thing is that you have a clean mask that covers the subject. Then open the Actions panel, select the action Modern Artist and click play. The duration of the playback depends on your machine and the resolution of the image. On average is less than 2 minutes. When the playback finishes, the message render completed will appear. Click continue. There will be many open groups and layer styles in the layers panel and it will look very messy. To make a quick reorganization, hold Alt or Option on your keyboard and click the arrow of the main group Modern Artist output. This will close the group. Then release Alt from your keyboard and if you open the group again, normally, all the layers and group will be reorganized. Inside the main group Modern Artists, there are 6 different subgroups that can be recognized by the different color code. Hide each subgroup starting from the top to see what each one does. Now we will see how to make some quick adjustments and the base concept behind this layer tree, so that you will have an idea of how it works and will be able to navigate it easily. In the step-by-step guide, you'll find a detailed description of each layer. Before starting, let me save a preview of this image after the playback so that we can compare it.